want to show you exactly why the battery business is the best business to be in. Not just the battery business, I'm talking about the reconditioned battery business itself, and also the recycling junk battery business. We bought a total of 6 batteries at $10 a piece. Today, we had a customer purchase 2 of those batteries. The customer itself bought 2, which came up to a total of $1,063.98. We only got a total of $20 in the product itself. Now, what we're doing now is we're actually in the process of packaging these batteries up. We're gonna ship them out tomorrow. Here's one already on the floor. Here's the battery, guys, the world's best reconditioned battery. We're in the process of getting this cleaned up right now, and we're gonna box this one up the same exact way. We're gonna start breaking down every day exactly what do we make when we buy our junk batteries, actually when we recondition the battery and sell it back to the customer on the open market itself.